and tool. Now moving on to the next variation, the pattern forming at a key level. You first identified a key level through this reversal point. Now as price came back down, you had a descending channel pattern form right at the key level. Again, it could have been any pattern from this list, but in this case, you had a descending channel form. Once price breaks above, the reversal is confirmed and you would take trade entries long. Now moving on to the final variation, identifying a key level, followed by a candlestick formation, and then a pattern inside. Now before we continue, go to the comments section right now and tell us exactly what videos you want us to create next. Also, to show your support, make sure to go follow our Instagram account @WiseTrade to stay notified about a lot of big projects we have on the way. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button right now to show your support. So this is the Microsoft stock again. We covered this earlier where you had your pullback entry here. But now there was a second entry using this new variation. So let's list the pro traits working in your favor. First, you're trading with the moving uptrend. Next, you have the momentum from the pattern break here and the long trade entries that took place here. Then you had your area of confluence here, where the trend line, new support level that recently formed, and moving average, and fib level all crossed. As price came back down to this level, you had multiple perfect long wick candles reacting to the area of confluence. So after you had the candles reacting to the area of confluence, you need to look inside of the candles and inside of this area to find price action that signals a trend change from a downtrend to an uptrend. Because even though this is a strong moving uptrend here, this here is a short-term downtrend, meaning price can stall at the area of confluence and then break right through, triggering a larger trend change. Now a key note, when you look inside of this area, it doesn't have to be a wedge, triangle, or channel. It can be any of the previous patterns we showed you in this video. All the reversal patterns work the same. So let's pull up the daily time frame and put it beside this one. The chart on the left is the Microsoft weekly time frame we just looked at, and on the right is the daily time frame. This key level here is this same key level here. This area of confluence here and where the candlesticks formed is this same area here. Again, we're looking for any form of price action that signals a trend change from a downtrend to an uptrend. So what we had in this case here was a perfect descending triangle pattern that formed right at the area of confluence from the weekly. Then once price breaks above and makes the higher high, the trend change is confirmed from a downtrend to an uptrend. Now, here's a very key point. Notice how price didn't go straight up after the break and pulls back slightly before actually taking off upwards. And this is why you need the two most important parts. One, to go to the lower intraday timeframes to identify an actual entry point after the break using our entry strategy and tool. And two, understanding precision stop loss placement, as there's a very specific place to put your stop loss when trading the breakout, but then another very specific place to put your stop loss when trading pullbacks. This is why you need the massive guide that works in combination with this video. It gives you every possible pattern variation and shows you exactly where to enter and exit, where to place your stop loss, and a lot more detail we don't have enough time to cover all in this video. Without this guide, you are missing out on a lot of the key info that is required to trade these patterns successfully. So go to wisetrade.com and get access to the patterns trading guide right away. Again, it's like having a cheat code. Now, we have a very important question we need answered. Do you guys like the longer, more detailed, in-depth videos, but as a result, they take longer to create and release? Or would you rather have shorter and less detailed videos, but then allows for more videos to be released faster and more often? Let us know in the comments right now below. So if you enjoyed this video, to show your support, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell. Also, please go follow our Instagram account @WiseTrade to stay notified about a lot of the big projects we have on the way. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.